Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Today I will show you how to upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 7 without USB and bypass all hardware requirements. Before do it, I have to remind you that this way will delete all data in partition C where you store operating system. You should back up your data before upgrading. Okay, let's go. This is my Windows 7 Ultimate operating. Now I will upgrade to Windows 11. First of all, you need to have a Windows 11 installation ISO files. I have video guys in the previous video. You can watch it by links in description. You store the Windows 11 installation ISO file in partition. With partition you install operating system. As you can see, I will install Windows 11 in partition C, so I will store ISO file in partition E data. Now you go to Google and type Win to STD. You access website and download software. You install software. Finished. Now click icon in desktop to run software. Okay. You select reinstall window. In this window, you click here and link to location you storage Windows 11 installation ISO files. Select and open. You select version you want to install in your computer. I usually select Windows 11 Pro and next. And you can see software auto select partition C where storage the operating system. You click next. Have a low state. You click yes. Low state on data on select partitions will be destroyed. You click yes. A reboot is required for completing this operation. You click yes. Now Windows will restart and install Windows 11 in partition. This will take some minutes to complete. Complete the install Windows 11. Now we only have some small step for go inside. You select yes. Yes. Skip. Checking for updates. This will install new list package from Microsoft. I think you should download the new list version Windows 11 installation ISO file from Microsoft server. Cause in this file, Microsoft already released the new list of Windows 11 version with full update. Accept. You input the name your device is. This is. How would you like to set up this device? I set up for personal use. Here you input Microsoft account. In here, you can restore or set up a new device. I select restore all my setup. Next. Skip. Next. You can free trial with Microsoft 365. I delete. Also with Game Pass I skip for now. Okay, well done. I have completely upgraded from Windows 7 to Windows 11 without USB and bypass all hardware requirements. You can follow my guide to update for your PC. Okay, I will show you how to upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 11. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.